Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my sugar frosted Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and how to make the offset shell stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Then make 1 chain. Then work 1 double crochet into this same chain where you made these first 2. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 3 chains. Into this next chain, make 3 double crochet. Then make 1 chain and 1 double crochet into this same chain where you made these 3 double crochet. And that's how that is looking all together. And that is going to be our sequence. So you're going to skip 3 chains into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain, then make 1 double crochet into this same chain where you made these 3. Skip 3 chains into this next one, 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain, then make 1 double crochet into this same chain with these 3 double crochet you had just made. And that's how everything is looking. You would now repeat this sequence of skipping 3 chains into this next one. You're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 extra double crochet all into this same chain all together. And you're going to repeat this until you reach the end of this row. So once you get to the end of your row and you only have 4 chains left, you're going to skip the 3 like we had been doing. And then into this last chain, you're going to make 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet, so we'll be skipping this first stitch. Now we're going to be making the same thing that we made in our last row, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet all together. But it's going to be worked into these previous chain 1 spaces. So you're going to skip over to your first chain 1 space, which is right here. You're going to make that same thing, work 3 double crochet. Then make 1 chain. And then 1 double crochet into this same space where you made these 3. So that is going to be our sequence. We're going to continue on. Skip over to this next chain 1 space, work 3 double crochet. 1 chain, and then 1 double crochet all into that same space together. Skip over to this next chain space, make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then 1 double crochet into that same space with those 3 you had just made. So that's how things are looking. You're going to repeat this sequence of skipping to the next chain space, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet all into that chain space together until you reach the last stitch of this row. So once you reach the end of your row and you run out of chain spaces to work into, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 of these stitches and then into the last stitch of this row, you're going to make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 70 rows for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make my sugar frosted Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.